Welcome back to another vintage Hot Wheels Redline review. What we're looking at here is a custom T-Bird from 1968. Again, another one of the original 16 Redlines. This one has a real nice color to it, although it does have toning around the vehicle. Very minor chipping. There is some on the left rear quarter panel there. As you can see, the roof is in excellent condition. It's got a full black color, and there's only maybe one small chip. The hood opens nice and stays open, and look at the shine on that engine. Nice. Looking at the wheels, they have good red lines, nice chrome color, and they all spin fast and free. And she rolls nice and straight. The underneath has a little toning to it, but still in good condition. Now, this blue color vehicle has a pretty high dollar book value, anywhere from $250 to $300. If you're interested in purchasing this vehicle, please check out the link in the description below. Hope you like this video, and we'll see you soon.